Right, so launching the new QPOD extender. This is an exciting new addition to the QPOD range. So starting off by putting the extender face forwards into the pod and locating the clips and the slots, and then hitting it down firm to locate that secure clip until you hear that click sound. So carry on with the second extender, now with the face facing outwards. Start by locating the clips at the foot and then the fins, starting on one side and moving across, locating the second fin and then clipping again at the foot for a secure fit. This gives a 200mm extension out from the pod. So you carry on making 100mm extensions with extenders the same way as the first, with the face facing out. We now have 300mm extension. We can carry on to 500mm. Obviously beyond that, you'd do a full pod. For the open sides of the pods, you'd go ahead and install the cap, the same way as the extender, the same location coupling, and the same secure clip. Give it that extra hit to make sure that clip is secured. So really excited about the new extender. It certainly revolutionises the way QPOD comes together. Hope you enjoy it.